What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a while since I made a new video, but I think it's only been like a week or two. I had a video planned last weekend to put the new wheels on my car, but if you haven't heard, Texas was pretty much shut down for a week for ice and snow, and it's still kind of muddy outside, so I really don't want to pull it out right now. So that'll probably be next week, so stay tuned for that. But we picked up the mini truck from the shop I think 2 days ago, so I'm gonna show you the new upgrade we did to that. And I got these boxes back here we need to install on the mini truck also, so let's head out. Alright guys, we just picked it up from the shop a couple days ago. Can y'all tell the difference? Nah, I'm just playing. We took the bumper off, that's it. Nah. What do y'all think that does? It's pretty windy out here, so sorry about all the wind noise. But yeah, we put the tilt bed on there. Shout out to Elo, he helped us last night. Well, my dad took it over to him last night to line up the bed. The bed wasn't lining up the body line, but now it's straight, you can see. We took the bumper off because we're gonna put a roll pan on it anyway. That's one of the boxes inside my truck. I don't think we're gonna put it on today though, because I think it's gonna hit the pump whenever we tilt the bed back. Augie from A&A Customs did the tilt bed. He pretty much did everything. Elo helped us align it yesterday because it wasn't aligning correctly. So I'll put both of their screenshots down right here below if y'all ever need any work in the DFW area. But let me show you how it works. So it has this one switch right here, and you push it up. And that's all the way up right there. And then you can let it all the way down. I love it. You can see the one battery right here for the bed, and then the one pump and 2 cylinders. It has 12-inch cylinders right now, but I think we're gonna shorten it up because it's pretty low to the ground. You can see right there. I do like how high it gets, but once we lower it and put the wheels on there, them cylinders are gonna be pretty low to the ground. So I think we're gonna change them for 10s or 8s, I'm not sure yet. But I do like how high it gets right now, so of course when you put the 10s or 8s, it's gonna go down a little bit lower. Well, it won't lock up as high. We still got to clean up all the frame, all the tank. My dad already shortened the filler neck for the fuel. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Thing is sick. I can't wait to see it with the new wheels. Hopefully those will be coming in soon. You'll see a future video of that. But let's take all these boxes out. I know I got some new taillights, new headlights and all that, so let's start installing them, and then I'll check back in with y'all. Alright guys, here's all the new pickups. Here's the roll pan I was telling you about. I got it off center to the left. It's actually pretty good. I got it off eBay. And here's the lights I got. This is my favorite part right here. I've always wanted these, the all clear tail lights. Oh, got it upside down. Can't wait to put these on. You can see the difference. We're gonna have to find some different bulbs though, you can still see. And here are the headlights. I hope they're not those headlights. I've ordered them a while back. They've just been sitting inside the house while the truck's been in the shop. Alright, hold on. And these are the headlights. Just stock style, but with the interchangeable bulb now. Hopefully I have the LEDs here already for them. Let me go put them next to. They're actually like pretty good quality compared to some other ones I bought before. You can see this one has moisture in it, and yeah, these are the sealed beams, so Can't wait to put those on. And these are the corner lights, also clear. Let me take them out the wrapper. It's pretty good quality, even though I bought it just from eBay. And you can see the difference. That one has the orange with the clear, and these are all clear. We're gonna have to put an LED in there so we don't see no orange. I actually like these a lot too. I got all this off eBay, and to be from eBay, it looks like pretty good quality. It's crazy how cheap this stuff is for this little truck. And these are for the bumper. And we're gonna have to change that orange bulb out for that too. So these will be replacing those. So everything's gonna be pretty much clear. No amber, no orange. So let's get to installing. Alright guys, we just finished putting all the new lights on. Here's the front all cleared up. Here's all the old stuff we took off. The headlights literally fell apart. The thing looks clean now. We only put LEDs in the headlights. I didn't have any for the corner or the turn signals. I love the way it looks. And here's the tail lights. This is the part I was excited about. This thing looks sick. I actually forgot about the third brake light, so I'm gonna have to look into it if they make it or not. If not, then we'll probably just shave it off whenever we paint it. But this thing looks sick. Can't wait to put the roll pan on. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna try to get some rolling shots right now, just up and down the street. I don't really want to take it on the muddy street, but that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.